Hello everyone and welcome back to Kanen Coffee. Here we have this beautiful DeLonghi Magnifica espresso machine. Now for this machine we did a tune-up and we also had to replace a big major part of this machine, which is the transmission, and I'm going to show you in just one bit. This one is the transmission of the machine. This big thing basically takes care of all the brewing rinsing cycles of the machine. Whenever you do, let me just show it to you, this transmission goes all the way up into the generator where it starts to rinse itself and do the brewing process and everything else. So this definitely takes care of all the load of the machine. This one unfortunately was keeping a couple of gears and it was completely calibrated from the machine itself. So we had to get a new one inside. We replaced the whole sensor. This one takes care of the rotations of it to know when the brew unit goes up and down. We replaced the switch of the brew unit as well, the down limiter switch takes care of letting the machine know when the brew unit hits the bottom part of this, and also the motor itself. So yeah, we had to replace that, give this machine a good tune-up. We cleaned everything around the spouts, around the machine itself, did a descaling and a cleaning cycle, and we also replaced this panel as we saw that it was just kind of melting from the side. Tried to kind of put it straight, but yeah, it was not happening, so we just replaced it. So starting with one shot of espresso, we're going to be testing this machine out. We're using at least the medium settings of this machine, and we're using our test coffee, so hopefully we get a bit of crema. After that, we're going to be using the hot water and then the steam. Right now the machine is doing pre-infusion. You can see the little drops coming out of the spouts, and then now it's going to do extraction. As you can see, we're having a nice flow coming out of those spouts. Good flow. Great shot of espresso. And now we're going to be testing the hot water of the machine. And as you can see right here, steady stream comes out of the one. Really good temperature. Great flow. Working great. And now we can test the steam mode of this machine. Now in order for this machine to produce steam, the thermoblock on the back needs to get up to temperature. Once it does, the water pump, that is okay on the back as well, will start pulsing through the entire machine, and then we'll see a little bit of steam coming out through the one. And as the thermoblock gets up to temperature, ready to get some steam, we're going to see that in the steamer one increasing temperature in pressure, and as you can see, yes, nice steam coming out of this machine. Look at that beautiful steam, working amazing, working great. So there you have it, the DeLonghi Magnifica, working once again and ready to brew. Thank you so much for repairing with Kanen Coffee. Please subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. Hit that like, hit that bell, and thanks for watching.